I've worked as an environmental scientist and ecologist for about 20 years, and most of that time has been as a consultant. And so what is important to me is being able to share my knowledge and the knowledge of farmers with our community. Apart from being able to grow fruit and, in the future, vegetables, we want to encourage the ground layer and herb layer underneath our orchard to become as biodiverse as possible and create a resilience, amazing resilience, so that we don't have to come through and do ploughing and tilling and things like that that disturb the soil microbiology. And what that means is that when a drought comes or when a flood comes, we've got so much biodiversity there that we'll lose some species during those periods, but others are able to fill that gap when times of stress come. And when that stress leaves, then we'll be able to increase that biodiversity again. As we want to do with the ground layer in our orchard, we want to do with our insect populations, we want to do with our native fauna, our birds, all of the native species that we have in and around this area. Because the more biodiverse our farm is, the more resilient it becomes. And therefore, for us as farmers, we become more resilient, and we can translate that to economy as well, where we become more financially resilient in times of stress. So we're really linking that all together through the regenerative agriculture process. We want to be able to ultimately use this film to show to other farmers and encourage them to take steps towards regenerative agriculture. Hopefully they learn from some of the mistakes that we make along the way, and they can implement some of the wins that we have.